Is your PowerPoint welcome slide boring like this? Don't worry. Today, I will show you how to turn a simple welcome slide into a creative professional intro for your presentation. So, let's start. Go to Shape, Rectangle, drag it to cover the entire slide. Insert a text box and type Welcome. Set the font to bold, size around 180, and align it to the center. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate the text box, change the font, reduce the size to around 80 and type to our presentation. Now select both text boxes, group them and align middle. Ungroup them again. Next, select the text and the rectangle together. Go to Merge Shape, Combine. Go to Shape Fill, select White. Set Shape Outline, No Outline. Then add Effect, Shadow, Offset Center. Reduce transparency and increase blur for a clean glowing effect. Now go to Insert, Video, Stock Videos, click on Pink, select and insert it. Then apply Play Animation so it loops. Right click the video and choose Send to Back. Now click on Slideshow. Boom! A stunning animated welcome slide that looks modern, creative and professional, all made in PowerPoint. And that's it. You have just learned how to create a cinematic welcome slide that will instantly impress your audience at the very start of your presentation. If you love this trick, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more PowerPoint hacks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial.